All right, so we might as well get our feet wet with with the 12 key, the 12 key patterns. I know, and don't let these dashes throw you. I'm too lazy to put the numbers back in because the dashes help you recognize some patterns. See how this equal sign kind of thing crosses, it goes across the screen, and same thing here with the cello, fiddle, guitar. It goes across, so that help you. You know, it'll help you. Those buddies will help you. But really, I was too lazy to fill them in. But I've done a lot of work for these charts. I'm talking about, you know, working into the wee hours. Let's look at a little review on the piano. What are the string shapes? The string shapes are C, A, G, E, and D, coined in the key of C. Coined in the key of C. So C would be would be 3, 4, 5. A is 5, 6. The long A is 5, 6, 7, but G is 6, 7 root. E is 7 root 2. And D is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once again, where am I? Okay, I'm on the guitar now. C would be like that, and then we go up to the fifth. The C is G. The G would be, so it's 3, 4, 5. The fifth of C is G, 6, 7 root. Fifth of G is D, 2, 3, 4. Fifth of D is what? Now, if you forget where you are and you go, was I going up a fourth or a fifth? Use the word caged. So the fifth of D, skip a letter in caged. Start the word caged over again is A. So it's 5, 6. The long would be like this if you wanted to finish on the long. Okay, 5, 6. And then fifth of A. Again, skip a letter in caged, skip the G to E. Or you just know the fifth of A is E. So the fifth of the A string shape. So in guitars, you go up the strings in pitch. Okay, I know you're going down towards the ground, but you're going up in the string pitch. You go fifth. The string shapes go in fifth. The tuning goes in fourth, 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 mostly, then a third kind of thing. But the string shapes go in fifths, and it's just shape fitting. Find it. It's there. Plus or minus a fret. You can find it. In the P-5 cello, fiddle, guitar, which is not in my hand right now, the string shapes as they go up is the opposite. Everything's the opposite in P5 as it is in P4. That's why we talk about mirror images. So let's move along. Also, these are, you know, just labels. This is 5 flat. Here's 5. People, this is basic piano here. You should know this. 7 flat. Here's 2 flat. But these are going to be keys now. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 keys. Okay? So this is just showing you that C equals 5 flat here. All right, so that helped you in the pattern stacks. And now the dash is really just the A, and the dash between root and 2 is the E. So that'll help you with the dashes. I'm trying to work them out of the pattern stack. Here is for cello, fiddle, violin, the Modal 7 Shapes pattern stack without the dashes. What are these guys? 4C5A, RED, okay, 5AG, DC, GE, C4C, ERE, and 4C5A. These are just the names, the tags, kind of the headers on those string shapes. We have an extra long string shape here. When you play this pattern, it goes to the left. When you play the double cage shorts, these are the double modals. So what are the modals? Back to guitar. let's look at the modals first. Root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we also have 5, 6, 7. So we got 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we have 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4. Those are the modals, because you can start on any of the, there's 7 of them. I did the 3 longs and the 4 shorts. The shorts are just, they have the 5, 6 short for the A string shape. So let's look at the A box, an A shape. See here? Okay, A shape C. Notice I didn't play a 7th, because that would have been the kind of soft part of my finger making that bar. If C is a 7th, that would be in the key of F. But we're just playing a C shape C, right? What are we talking about here? The string shapes would be, if you do the pentatonic, would be so here's your short A pattern. So there's your short. See, here's A, G. So these are the double cage shorts. 5, 6. Here's your short. And then going into the long. Now, why do I have double? Because in the P5 tuning, we have to add an extra note, and that doubles the string shapes. Okay, so here, 5, 6. Notice it sounds the same. It would be 5, 6, 7, root. Whereas over here, 5, 6, 7 root is the same, but it's a double string shape. The string shapes change because we're going into double modal. Now look at this big long one. It's actually a double 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Double string shape. Just added one note to the 4, 5, 6 string shape. The long E. And we use the long E's in guitar to play away from the fret nut. Up on, okay, so, you know, if you have Mr. Capo here, say we'll put it on the F. I'm going to play away from the fret nut. Root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root 2, 3, 4. Okay, that plays away from the fret nut. If I tried to do you know, say if I tried to do a A-shaped B flat there. On short, we wouldn't get very far, would we? Why? Because you can't do the pentatonic there with the fret nut there, okay? So that we call finger barred. Those are the finger barred string shapes. We were talking about them. Let's get these guys off the screen. I'm going to show you today that I'm zooming, so it doesn't all of a sudden just change, you know. So let's look back. So these are the, you know, these are the finger barred P4 string shapes, okay, that I was doing. There's your short 5, 6, and these are pentatonics. These are good for pentatonics. Anything you can do pentatonically, it incorporates the triads. So, okay, C pentatonic also has C triad, major triad. Okay, so I'll take a little break there. Let's try to move forward to the cello fiddle. I have the little icon in here on here so that I don't confuse the two, because they look alike, right? And so I wanted you to get used to the fact that the long patterns in guitar move away from the fret nut. The finger barred patterns move towards the fret nut, and this one, the 12 key, just goes straight up. Notice it doesn't have any drift associated with it, such as this.